Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys my summer foundation routine for 2018. I used a new foundation, and I eliminated some of my usual steps. So if you're interested in it, just keep on watching. And if you want to know how I got this makeup look, stay tuned to the channel. This video will be up after my foundation routine. Hi guys, so the first product I'm going to go in with is my Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm going to then go in with my Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Oil Free Foundation, and this is in the shade Brownie. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. For a little extra highlight, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. For all over face powder, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. To bronze, I'm going to get into the Pure Sculpture palette and take these two shades. So guys, I'm just going to go in with an orange shadow that I have on hand right now. I'm going to mix these two. Orange blushes look amazing on dark-skinned women. So I'm just going to go in with those two and put them on my cheeks. Not too much because we don't need a lot. First, I'm going to go in with the Shayla X ColourPop Highlight in Pose. now. I'm going to use my Kilowatt in Hustler Baby. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you've used any Black Radiance product, whether it's the foundation, the primer. So let me know how they work for you. I like this foundation so far. It works for me and I will definitely continue to use it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.